So just be gentle with your little, your little self, and tell her it's okay. She can share it.
Gosh.
I'm a little
And
people.
Robin, you're holding up these beautiful little dolls. What is this? What does this represent? I mean,
Yeah. Well, we all have the wisdom within, and really it's sets in the part of ourselves that is the younger, beautiful, divine child within. And we can get so much information from the child within. And when we talk to a child, we're usually much more compassionate and loving. We're not in the prefrontal, we're in the heart. Look, my little doll has she's got a little heart there.
I
And
love it.
yeah, so when we can actually see ourselves as this innocent, beautiful child, we start off with compassion and love, or energetically already. So I use my dolls, with my people that I love, young children and up to adults, to help them know that the child within, we want to retrieve her and or him, and get the information, because that's where some of our parts of ourselves were cut off.
Right.
And just looking at the child, so it's inner child work. So
Right.
I just happen to have them here with
I
me
just love
today.
it.